Havells has always been creating milestones in the industry. Keeping the impetus, Havells introduces India's most advanced, fully integrated water heater manufacturing facility in Neemrana. Set up in 2014, the plant has an installed capacity of 500,000 units per year. The plant has the flexibility to manufacture a wide range of products ranging from 10 to 120 liters capacity and has the largest design and model range under one roof. The fully automated coil slitting lines to cater to wide range of models for the fast changeover and is the only automatic decoiler machine in the industry as on date. The state-of-the-art CNC punching ensure consistent precision and uniform quality. The factory has the most modern outer body rolling and seamless welding system, along with special purpose necking machine for precision in every aspect of water heater making. The inner steel tank being heart of the water heater, each tank is fabricated in-house on robotized lines. The cut sheets from slitting lines are blanked and then fed by robots on deep draw hydraulic presses. Cap flaring is done of SPM machines for perfect matching of two halves of the tank. These caps are then washed to remove any oil, dirt and impurities to prepare the steel surface for welding. Accurate and strong welding ensures long life for tanks. We use the best technology from Japan in welding systems, ensuring foolproof joints for years of trouble-free service. Each welded tanks is 100% tested for leakage by automatic leakage testing machine at high pressure, and inspected tanks are then sent for glass line coating. Before coating the welded tanks from inside, it is important to remove any impurities from the inner surface again for welding splinters and loose particles. Shot blasting system from Italy ensures clean, safe and environment-friendly shot blasting of welded tanks, which is untouched by hand. Havells water heaters employ special dry powder ferroglass technology on Swiss-made equipment found in some of the best water heater brands in the world for uniform glass lining in the tanks to enhance the life of the water heaters. It's a clean, environment-friendly process which does away with traditional wet coating conventional methods, thus saving precious water resources, and a non-polluting coating method. Havells water heaters are then baked at above 850 degrees centigrade temperature to finish the water heater tanks to a flawless glass lining finish, which provides protection against corrosion from the salts and chlorides in water. Each tank is 100% inspected for any defects and are then aced for another 48 hours before assembling. On a fully automatic assembly line, each water heater is meticulously assembled with world-class components. The PUF insulation process is carried out in controlled environment to ensure uniform PUF filling, which enhances the energy efficiency of the water heater, thereby giving it a 5-star rating for power savings. The Neemrana plant is one of the most advanced and extensive testing labs following NABL guidelines for life testing of the product. For life testing of the product, its safety components, key components, boilers are also tested to withstand high pressures and microscopic cracks in the glass lining. Havells water heater lab has the most expensive standing loss testing benches to comply with the stringent energy efficiency norms. Each water heater is tested online for performance, safety, and assured for quality. These water heaters are then packed and shipped to their destination. The plant is a green factory and hence the entire manufacturing process is environment friendly. With state-of-the-art technology and a huge manufacturing capability, Havells is all set to create a storm in the water heater market.